Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning and welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, before the quotes, head over to ldlcall.com to book your free 30-minute call to discuss how we can change your life. It's all down to you, but you have to make the first move. But first, here is today's quote. Never let anyone tell you what you can or cannot do. Just look at Beethoven. Everyone told him he'd never be a musician, just because he was deaf. But did he listen? You can't let anyone's ignorance, hate, drama, or negativity stop you from being the best person that you can be. You're the only person that defines you. No one can speak for you. Only you can take control and do the talking of what you're going to do and where you're heading towards. This is your life and you shouldn't be made to feel guilty with how you live it. Sparkle and shine as only you can.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.